So it's currently 5 o'clock in the morning. It's too early for me. I'm so glad I did my lashes last night. I really want to get into bed and say fuck everything I have to do today. I can't say that. I gotta go get these teeth looked at.
Before I pay a bitch and on bill back up, I know how to make a bitch. I treat all my hoes the same.
We just made it to this dental office and I'm nervous. I got the bubble guts. I'm nervous every time I gotta go to the dentist because I don't like people playing in my mouth. I came here because I got this tooth in the front. It was like I had a cavity in the front of my teeth and it grew. So now it's just like my teeth is about to just break off. And it's in the front. If it was in the back, I wouldn't care. But because it's in the front, I want to get it fixed. So I gotta see what's T. I'm waiting for the doctor to come give me my exam, y'all. I'm scared. So I need $8,000 worth of dental work done to my teeth. Might as well get some veneers. That's crazy. I paid $200 to get told something I don't even want. They want to deep clean my teeth for $1,000. I'm gonna YouTube how to deep clean your teeth. I'm not gonna say this was free, but they gave me a pink toothbrush. So anyways, I'm done talking about my teeth. Right now we at Chick-fil-A. I wanna can I have a 5-count kids meal?
We don't have lunch right now, baby.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to come and show y'all how I keep my curls from tangling up because this is synthetic curly hair in these bohemian braids. I have curls all the way to the ends. Like, I was not about to put human curly hair in braids. Like, your girl is just, no ma'am. It's very simple. I highly recommend that you do not use nothing that has like water-based. If you use any products like water or any water-based products to refresh your curls, you're gonna make your hair revert. It's gonna make your braids frizzy, old looking. It's gonna make your real hair want to curl up out of the braid. So you don't want to use nothing like that. I highly recommend a holding spray, or you could go ahead and get some type of oil or grease. This is some Blue Magic grease from way back in the day. This is empty too. I like to use this. I use a very light oil on my hair every single day. It prevents the braids from wanting to tangle up. So you don't want to wait until your hair starts to tangle up to do something about the tangling. You want to make sure you handle that first. This is the oil that I like to use. It is so good. I put it in my scalp and then I just run it down the braids. Like, they're not tangling. And I've had these braids in for a couple of weeks. You can use the spray too. Like, I'm gonna use some right now because I'm about to take these out. I don't want to waste no more of my oil. But the spray will make these oh, I just sprayed myself in the eye. This said hot shit. So yeah, you could definitely use an oil. I highly recommend an oil over a spray because I feel like the spray over time could possibly make your braids like all stiff and just crunchy. You don't want that. So I highly recommend you using, like I said, an oil or a grease. I prefer an oil. That's how I've kept my hair looking like this. So this is how my hair has been looking for a couple of weeks now. And like I said, there's no tangling. Like, no tangling at all. Nothing sticking together. Everything is like new. It's like still brand new. Hold on. Let me take it back. So yeah, I hope this video helped y'all. It was really quick, really simple, straight to the point. You really don't have to go out and buy human hair just to achieve this look. This is synthetic hair. I will link the hair. Let me not lie. I'm going to try to find the hair that I use because I definitely feel like it also depends on the type of synthetic curl that you get as well. This curl is deep twist. Yeah. Try not to get a curl that's too tight. I just feel like that would cause a lot of tangling. Like if you was to get like a jerry curl or just something that's really curly. Like, look at that. It's going straight through. It's not, and this is synthetic hair, so I feel like it's doing a pretty good job to be synthetic. Like, it's doing pretty good. But like I said, I do oil my hair with this oil. It has castor oil in it. Tea tree oil, castor oil, and a whole bunch of oils just all mixed together. That was a really quick short video on how to keep your curls popping, how to keep your braids still looking brand new. I hope it helped y'all. If it did, subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. I'm out. Peace.